Oh, did you watch the game last night?
No, I couldn't. I have a premier business profession meeting.
Oh, what's that?
It's an amazing organization that helps me build as a businessman. If you are interested in that field, I definitely suggest you join.
I don't know what field I want to be in yet, but I would totally join to see if business is my passion.
Yeah, and if you like it, when you go to high school, you should totally join fbla.
Oh man, I did not get freshman representative.
It's okay. As you continue your journey in fbla, you will gain better at public speaking, networking, leadership skills, management skills, and collaboration skills.
Okay, where do I start?
Start by signing up for a competitive event. This is the perfect opportunity to gain experience in a workforce-stimulated competitive environment. I know you're really interested in political science, and sign up for that competitive event.
Should I compete as a freshman?
Yes, if you work really hard and have the dedication, you can even place at state or at nationals. This looks great for college and is an amazing accomplishment.
Oh, that's how I got here. I'm currently a junior in high school now, and the skills I've learned in FBLA have helped me in school and out of school. By learning collaboration skills from FBLA, Kieran and I have gone on to becoming our student council's president and vice president. We gain our position through votes by learning networking through FBLA and are able to successfully manage the school through active decision-making we learn through our competitive events. The leadership skills that I've gained have also led me to become FBLA's regional officer. Take that, freshman representative.